Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix green lines on iPhone 11, 11 Pro, 12, 12 Pro, 13 and 14 Pro Max after update iOS 17, 17.1.1. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Method 1. Turn off True Tone. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on display and brightness. On the brightness page, scroll down, turn off True Tone and restart your iPhone. Method number 2. Check for software update. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on General. On the General page, tap Software Update. Software Update is available. Tap Download and install to upgrade the iOS. Method number 3. Reset all settings. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on General. On the General page, scroll down, tap Transfer Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Tap Reset all settings. Enter your phone passcode. Again, reset all settings in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Thanks for watching this video.